Okay, so we're in this trade right now.
Hello, hello. Is it so loud? Hello, hello. All right. I wasn't recording today's session, but just wanted to get it on record here. Been in this trade since 4:50. It's now 9:42, so basically been sitting in this trade for almost 5 hours. And yeah, the last few hours was absolutely rough. I mean, I was about to TP here, um, but it was just only a few ticks away, reverse, and I decided to add one contract here. Not one contract, but five contracts here, five contracts here. Um, yeah, but we just saw lots of sideways price action. And we're at this stage now. It's 8 a.m. New York session. We almost get stopped out, but we see a really uh, strong sell towards it. So I guess, yeah, I mean, you know, basically what's happened is I lost another set of funded accounts, and this is a fresh lot that I'm working on here. Just trying to pass it as quickly as possible. So I'm quite aggressive with, uh, my contract sizes. So each account, there's about 20 micros. And yeah, we're just only, man, just it's always getting so close to TP, but um, I'm just really hoping that we get there. This is pretty much, I mean, if this trade works out, it would be the longest trade or longest successful trade that I've ever made. Sitting in it for 5 hours, um, yeah, wasn't easy, but uh, I can't let the results from July set my expectations for what trading would can or should be like, because I'll be honest, like price action just went really smoothly throughout that month, and I was able to capitalize on that. This month we're just over halfway through August, but I haven't had the same luck or um, price action to do so. So this is also another milestone, you could say. I mean, if this trade holds, it would be amazing. If this trade follows through, I would greatly appreciate that. Yeah, so this is where I entered here. Right. This is one of the craziest Asia sessions that I've seen as well. Uh, no, I don't want power three. Where's my the heck? I lost my indicator for Asia range. Anyways, this is Asia here. It moved insanely and then tapped into this bullish order block. That bullish order block wasn't able to act as a support for price, and we can see um, retracements into the nearest sell side inefficiency, buy side imbalance, and strong displacement to the downside. Again, retracement into the nearest CB, and another distribution of price towards the downside again. I mean, given this, and it's hit this daily low created last Wednesday. So, price action has slowed down once it got there. Was able to push a bit further down into a daily BISI. And, you know, this setup here, could definitely, look for longs here. But, I'm still in this short. I'm hoping that it follows through. It's just very difficult. Just need another strong push down and we will be sweet. Yep. So, I actually took the first trade I took, I was down about 400. So essentially we need to be reaching here in order to profit about 3,500. And that would bring us to the $3,000 profit target that is required to get to the funded stage. I looked into, or I did my taxes today, and just taking into account all of the evaluation fees that I've spent, it totaled to about $8,500 AUD. And yeah, I mean, it was definitely eye-opening, but also, it gave me some like more peace of mind that despite failing for or not being profitable for almost 3 years, I was able to make all of it back in 1 month of good trading. So what that's done for me is that it's motivated me to continue trading these prop firms, continue to improve. Yeah, we don't know how long these prop firms will be around for, but they'll they'll be here for the foreseeable future, and I would like to, you know, capitalize on this opportunity to make money from my bedroom. It's never easy though. This has not been an easy trade. Hasn't been an easy month. It's so insane, this price action. Like, so yeah, we hit the 5 hour mark in which this trade has been active for. I mean, given how price has been moving and it hasn't really shown any strong displacements to the upside, you know, all these lows here are low resistance liquidity that price could easily sweep out. It's so close. I'm quite confident that it will get there, but I was confident at this point and this point and this point. I hope it doesn't fail me now. That's the TP. We're looking at just $300 away from TP. Final push. I think it will get there before, like, definitely by 8:30. Go. Always. That's what happened over here. Almost got to my TP and just went. Psh. So I spent another couple hours waiting. It's never easy. And hopefully 8:30 gets us there. Close. So close. Can do it. Give it 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. Damn. All right, this is it. Close. Oof. There we go. Finally. Ooh, jeez. There you go. From 4:50 to 10 p.m. A lot longer than I would have liked to trade for, but we came out on top of that, which is fantastic. Amazing. TF. And let's have a look here. Yeah, every account perfectly copy traded. And I mean, looks like the market's just gonna keep moving lower. Wow. Okay. Well, now I'm getting funded so easily, but getting payouts is a lot harder because of the consistency rules and all that. I can't just full send the accounts and yeah, like I need 5 consistent trading days and minimum profit of 150 in each of those days with a profit target of 3,000. That's when it gets hard. I mean, at this stage, it was difficult to get to here, but overall, I passed so many evaluations. It's nothing for me. Yeah, just really gonna try and lock in. I don't think I'll be trading for the rest of the day because this trade has taken a lot out of me. Definitely a big lesson that I will reflect on for a long time. I don't really like trading this long just because of how much mental capital it takes from you. And the only reason I got into this mess is because I just wasn't patient enough. Like, wasn't patient enough to wait until 10 p.m. I guess that's the hard thing about being in Australia. It's that I have to stay up so late. I've worked the next day, and just trying to balance everything out is really difficult. Yeah, I mean, ideally, I'd move somewhere where the time zones are a lot better. Which could help me avoid, getting involved in, these not ideal trades. So yeah, I really have to stick to my rules and my strategy. I need to just focus on New York session. If I am able to stay out of the other sessions and, you know, size accordingly as well, no more than 5 contracts, I should be able to trade consistently enough to reach my next payout. So that's the next goal. All right. Gonna end it there. Catch ya.